am out running errands. I love this day. It's so beautiful. I've had the car washed. I am getting in the Valentine spirit, so I've been looking for Valentine gifts and all that fun stuff. So that's probably what I'll do today, is go back home and do a bit of decorating for Valentine's Day. So you might stick with me on that. I am looking for something that I think I have lost, and it's probably in that console. You know, every time you lose something, it's between the seat and the console of the car. Makes me crazy. So I am looking around. I will never find it unless I vacuum the car out. And I've even had my car washed, which makes it drive so much better. And I have been out shopping. I'm looking for a few pieces of clothing, items that I particularly want, and shoes and handbag. And I'll keep you posted on that. What I'm doing is trying to get ahead of myself on the process of planning trips for the upcoming spring and summer, and I know what I want to wear, so I'm hoping I can find what I'm looking for. I've been lucky a bit. There are some items that I want, but I haven't been able to find them, so I'm going to have to start tracking those down online. But I'll keep you posted on that, and I'll keep you posted about where we're going. One place where you're going doesn't require any summer clothes. It is more of an autumn feel to it. So I'll keep you posted when we get everything booked and it's a go. But right now, I'm just excited to be thinking about spring and summer. We're through with all the holidays, and here it is starting to warm up a bit. It was a tiny bit cold for a few days, I have to admit. We've been here many years, and that is one of the coldest weeks we've had, and so I got to pull out some of the autumn clothes and wear them, which I was excited about. But let me run a few errands, and then I will take you home with me, and we're going to do a bit of baking and a bit of decorating. We have the cupcakes ready to go, and we're going to ice them. I'm not going to gatekeep on this. I used box mix, and icing is pre-made. Well, that's as good as it's going to get today, but that's not the important thing. The important thing is that we are having a good time, enjoying, preparing for Valentine's Day. There's nothing better than a cute and fun Valentine's week, so I am going to be prepared, and I'm trying out this cake mix, and I'm going to see if I like it. If not, I'll go back to my favorite homemade cake mix, but it is a little bit tedious, so this makes it so much easier. I saw so many adorable Valentine's decorations while I was shopping. The boutiques have some of the cutest ideas, and I'm going to put a picture about right here of something I saw that I thought was adorable. It was a Christmas tree that was decorated for Valentine's Day, and I promise you I would do that. But I don't think my husband would appreciate me leaving the Christmas tree up this far into the year. But if you have space for it and you have the need to decorate for Valentine's in a big way, this was so beautiful. It was just about the cutest decoration I saw all day, and I saw a lot of it. We have a few more to go, and then I'm going to decorate the icing. I have a few ideas. Everyone loves a good cupcake, and I did not want to make chocolate, so we went with strawberry. Oh, that reminds me, I have some strawberries I need to wash. I have a good recipe for strawberry cake, but not a great icing. I can't really beat the homemade icing, so I'm going to have to work on that. Come up with a really good icing. I have a good icing I use for lemon cake, but not strawberry. Look at that one. Wow, look at those strawberries. Love it, love it, love it. They look delicious. Look at the size of that one. So you could either decorate by slicing a strawberry and putting on, or I found these cute marshmallows in the shape of hearts. Might use that. And of course you have your sprinkles. I have sugar and just the candy sprinkles. Can't decide. Decisions. Let's try one of these beautiful strawberries on top, but I'm going to use an egg slicer and slice a strawberry. I'm going to cap it. I just washed these, so they're a bit wet, which might not be the best idea. You might want to dry them better than I did. And then put the strawberry in, and look. Whoop. They're thin slices. But we have strawberry slices. Look how thin that slices. Let's do one here. It does look like a heart, doesn't it? A bit. I'll do a couple with a strawberry in it. Now, that was not the prettiest one. I have a bowl down here if you're wondering. And let's try marshmallow. These would be cute for hot chocolate as well. Valentine's morning. Look how adorable is that? This one in particular is white and pink, but I'm going to use the pink one. And let's put this one here. I could put a little notch in there so it'll stay upright better. There we go. Let's do it on this one as well. I like that. Very good. I like that a lot. Now, I'm going to put red sugar sprinkles on a couple of them. How about that one? That one. If you have children, this is one of the best ways to keep them busy for an afternoon. Nothing better than teaching them something in the kitchen and making it fun at the same time. Oh, these are little dots, but they almost look like hearts. Who makes these? This is, well, unfortunately, the label is partly gone. So I will find these for you, and I'm going to link them below. Also, this t-shirt I've had for a while. As a matter of fact, I think you probably have seen it in another video, and I will try to find it and link it below. I might not be able to find the exact shirt. And isn't this design so simple? It looks as if someone took a marker, created a heart, and then just put it on the shirt, which is basically what they did. However, I don't think I can find this same t-shirt for you, but I'm going to try, and if I can't, I believe there's a sweatshirt that I ran across that would be linked below. So one way or the other, maybe you can get it in before the holiday and have something fun to wear for Valentine's Day. So now we have our cupcakes, and I have decorated them in a variety of ways, so that can give you a few ideas. I think this one needs a few more sprinkles. That's looking a bit skimpy. And I have plenty of sprinkles to use, so let's do that. Love it. All right, now I'm going to move on, and I'm going to decorate a bit, not a lot. I'm not going to go as decorative as I do for, say, Christmas or even Easter. Move our cupcakes over so you can see what I'm doing. This is just a tray that I've had for some time, and I'm just adding a few little touches to make it look a bit more Valentine-ish. What do we think about that? These are wooden hearts that are stacked pink, red, and white, and I place this somewhere in the kitchen, not sure where. Let's put it back here where I had it before. That will work for now, but I have to show you something that I ran across that I just fell in love with. Don't you love a good, simple project, a craft that any of us can do? If I can do this, I know anybody can. This is candle sand. What a great idea. It's probably been around 100 years. I just discovered it. And you can make a candle out of anything. This is a candy dish. This is a votive. And you know, you usually drop a little tea light in that. However, I can do something better. You could use teacups. You can use an ashtray. It doesn't matter, because all you do is pour the candle sand into whatever you decide to use as a candle. I have seen this used using just actual wooden candle holders, and instead of using a candle taper, you pour the sand in the very top, and then you put the wick in. So this package comes with wicks, quite a few wicks. I'm going to guess 25. And then underneath that is the sand, the wax sand. So let's give this a try. I'm going to go ahead and cut this across, and then I can always close it up and save it for later. This is an empty votive cup that I have used several times, and I found that the candles were a little bit too deep into the cup. So all you do is pour the sand. I'm going to pour it all the way to the top. So I'm going to try to get a close-up of this, but it's just tiny beads of wax. Tiny, like a grain of sand. And then we take our wick, and these wicks are 2 inches long, and we insert it in the sand, and we're going to light that, and look, you have a candle. Absolutely amazing to me that this works. All it is the same thing you would make a solid candle with. You just don't make it solid. And I would imagine you could use almost anything except something that's flammable, of course. And what about if you were making a tablescape and you have an entire set of teacups that you rarely use? You could line those up along the table, and that would be beautiful with a few flowers interspersed between them. So simple, so cute. So if you're having a Valentine's dinner, that's an idea for a tablescape for Valentine's. Now this is a silver candy dish, and we're going to put that just like that. I'm going to even that out. And I'm going to make this a 3-wick candle. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to scoot them a little farther apart. Can this get any easier? You do not have to have that much creativity to be able to do this. I find this fascinating. How about that? Wow, I'm loving, loving, loving this. Now I'm going to take these and I'm going to place these here because I'm going to put a few flowers in the vase, and we are ready for Valentine's. And there we have it. Some of the simplest things will make a lovely Valentine's Day. We have fresh flowers, fresh fruit, cupcakes, and candles. What more can you ask for? I think if you have not fallen in love with this candle stand, you might want to give it a try. And I hope you have a lovely Valentine's week. I always try to celebrate it as long as possible. I hope you do too. And if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, you know I would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So tap that subscribe button and you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.